Hello little learners, welcome back to our fun writing lesson. Today we're going to learn about capital letters. Capital letters help make our writing neat and correct. Are you ready? Let's begin. Capital letters are big letters. We use them at the beginning of every sentence and for people's and places' names. Let's practice together. Look at this sentence. The cat is big. Something is missing, don't you think? The first letter should be a capital letter. Let's fix it. The cat is big. Can you spot the capital letter? That's right, the T is a capital letter. Always in a sentence, the starting word has to start with a capital letter. In this case, the word the starts with a capital T. Names need capital letters too. Look at this name, Sam. Can you see what's wrong with it? Let's fix it. Sam starts with a capital S. How about Emma, Tom, Lucy? All of these names have to begin with a capital letter. This also applies to when we talk about places. For example, if I'm saying I traveled to London, London has to have a capital letter because it is a name of a place. But if you're saying I went to a park or I went inside a building, then you don't need a capital letter. But if it's a name of a place, you do need a capital letter. So make sure you consider that when you're writing. Now, we're going to do some practicing now. I'm going to show you two sentences that are the same, but it has a difference. You're going to tell me which sentence is correct. Okay? So the first sentence is the dog can run. We have two versions of the same sentence. The dog can run and the dog can run. Which one is correct? That's right, it's the second one because the T is capital. Now, in this case, we have the name Emma. We have Emma here and we have Emma here. Which is the correct way to write Emma? That's right, the second one, because the E is capital. Very good. Now remember, you have to start every sentence with a capital letter, whatever word it is, and for names of people and places, you have to start them with a capital letter too. You did an amazing job today. Keep looking for capital letters when you read and write, especially when you practice writing sentences. Make sure you look into seeing whether you're using capital letters or not. See you next time. Bye bye, little writers.